Hi guys, alright, so we're going to wax this piece up. I am using DIY's clear wax right now. You can see as I apply it, dramatically changes the piece and it's super easy to apply, kind of like butter. So I wanted to tell you the story of how I picked up DIY paint and this wax, this amazing wax that is made by DIY. When I was learning, I was trying all kinds of different brands. I love the paint. It's nice, thick chalk paint, but with all this clay in it, highly pigmented, great. You will dramatically see the color of the piece change. That clay sucks it up and it looks blotchy. Don't freak out. It dries to an even, cool, clear, not sticky, great wax finish. Waxing had always been a little bit tricky for me. I didn't know if it was just me, but it just seemed like wax, and then a couple days later it was still sticky. You could still have fingerprints on it, and I'm like, am I putting too much wax? Not enough, you know, what is going on? So I didn't really like to wax very often. So now that our clear wax is mostly dry, we're going to pull out our black wax. So what I'm doing here, I'm just actually taking a chip brush and getting it into those recessed areas along those panels to accentuate them and make them pop. And by the way, I am a DIY retailer, so if you're interested in trying these paints or these wonderful waxes, look in the comments below and there'll be a link to my website. Now I switch to my white wax, so I'm going to go ahead and hit the center of those panels to highlight them and bring them out a little bit more. Now I switch to my brown wax, or dark wax, whatever you want to call it, and I am going around those areas to shade those in and make everything just pop out a little bit more. Open a new can of the DIY wax. So this wax is ridiculous. This piece that I just did for you guys, let that dry for about an hour and a half. After your wax has mostly dried, you can go ahead and take a soft cloth and buff it out. It'll come to a nice sheen. This step is optional. You don't have to buff it if you don't want to, but it's awfully fun too. So I hope you learned something about waxing today, and DIY wax is pretty awesome. Thanks for watching. I hope to see you in the next video, and don't forget to subscribe.